Hi there, this is Malay and welcome to my channel. In today's video, let us take a look at some of the text actions in Power Automate Desktop. So let's get started. Before we work with the text actions, let's go ahead and set one variable. I'm dragging and dropping the set variable. Let's call it as the text var and let's put some sample value. So this is a sample text which we will be using in taggy examples. Good. Click on save. The very first action that we will take a look at is search for text and scroll all the way down. You see many text actions. Let's go and use first, which is append line to text, which clearly indicates this will append a new line to an existing text. So the original text is going to be, I will pick up the text variable which we declared and set. The line to append, you can also have another variable that you can set, but for now I will type it as is. This is the new line which should get added, and the variable produced is result. Let's save, click run. Let's quickly wait for that to complete and look at the result. We had the initial variable and we have the new line added, and the result is having the first line and the second line. It's in the new line. That's the main thing. The next is get subtext. Let me go ahead and change this text var for now, and let me go ahead and say that there is a product code, let's say, which starts with a 3-letter and then it has the hash or a channel sign and then it has the number. So we know that the product code is after the hash sign, so the last numbers are the product code. That's how we're going to be keeping that. And also do remember that the hash sign is at the 4th position, so 0, 1, 2 and 3. It starts with 0 base index, so we have channel at the 4th position. So what we are looking at is anything and everything after the 5th position, on or after 5th position, is something that we are looking for. So now let's get subtext. The original text is going to be our txt prod code. You can go for a start index as the character position or a start of the text. I'm going to go with the character position because that's what I'm looking at. The character position is going to be at the 4th character. The length is going to be number of characters or end of the text. If you would like to retrieve only the number of characters, let's say if you would like to retrieve only 3 characters after that, you can specify this way. I'm looking for everything after that, so I'll just keep it as end of text and I will call it as the product code. Okay, click on save, click run. Let's wait for that to complete, and we have our product code 176653, right? Because we had the channel sign as in the 4th position and we were looking for all the text after that position. Now let us take a look at the crop text. The crop text allows you to crop a specific text from within the string or the bigger text or the main text. Let us see with an example. I'll select the txt prod code. More is get the text before the specified flag, and you have the end flag. Now what does that actually mean? So you would like to retrieve characters before a specific flag. So channel sign is my flag and I would like to retrieve ABC. Okay, you can put this is flag found. If the channel is found in this will turn into true, and the crop text will be A, B and C because I'm looking for the text before the specified flag. Click on save, hit run. Let's wait for this to complete and we'll see the outcome. As you can see, is flag found is true and the crop text is ABC. Let me go and quickly make one change. Instead of before, let me put after, which will give me again, let me put this channel sign as a flag, which should again give me the only product code which we retrieved the other way. Let's click on save, hit run. Let's wait for that to complete and we will have again crop text as the number is flag found is true because we got the channel sign. So that is how you can use the crop text. Now let's take a look at the pad text. Pad text allows you to add a specified characters before or after the string or the text. text to pad. So which is the text that you would like to pad? So let's go and select the txt prod card, the first one that we already have. Whether you would like to add the characters on the left or on the right. For now, let me select the left. Text for padding. So I'm gonna go and put $2 before this text. Total length is when you would like to make sure that it keeps adding the $sign till the time the total length of the characters, which is the txt prod code, reaches 10. Okay, let's click on save and let's see in action and we will understand that better. So now it has been executed. The padded text is a result. Now you would have seen that it has not actually added that, and the reason is the text itself is 10 characters. So we made a little mistake. Let's go back and change it from 10 to 15 and click save, hit run, and now we will see it changed. Now you can see the padded text. It is padded in the 2, 2 and then 1. Why? Because the total number of characters is now 15. So if you want to see, you can count it and it will be 15. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and that is how we've reached the limit and it has stopped adding the characters. We can make the little change. Instead of $2, you can go with $1 and let's go with 12, and instead of left, let's go with right. Click on save, click run. Let's wait for that padded text, and you can see now it has just appended $2 till it has reached 12 as a total length of this character, and it has stopped. So you can use the pad text to append or prepend a particular character a number of times as per your need. Well, let's go ahead and delete these actions for a simplicity. Let's quickly delete them. Okay, and let me go ahead and now purposefully add some white space after this. Add some white space before this, and the reason why we are adding this is to see the next action in line, which is the trim text. Now the trim text of course allows you to remove the white space character either from a beginning, from the right, or from the beginning as well as the right, which is the ending. So you can see white space characters from the beginning if you would like to remove. Trim to text. So let's go and select our variable, which is a txt prod card. I would like to remove the white spaces only from the beginning. It will be in the trimmed text. Click on save, click run, and let us see the trimmed text. Now you can see the trimmed text. You will have a space. You can see when I'm selecting, I can see a lot of space afterwards, which we already have. Let me go ahead and edit this. Instead of beginning, you can go for an end. It will still keep the initial set of blank values. We will see that. So you can see now we have the initial blank spaces still there because of the configuration. Click on edit and remove beginning and the end. Click run, and then we will have both the spaces in the beginning and towards the right, which is end, removed. You can see now we don't have any spaces in the beginning and towards the end. That is how you use the trim text. Now the next is reverse text. Now that obviously means is whatever that you're going to be provide, it will just reverse the text. So we have the txt prod card. The reverse text will keep it as it is. Click on save, click run. It will just reverse the entire text. There we have it. You can see the reverse text 356671 channel CBA. So it has just reversed the text. Again, let's remove this for a simplicity real quick. Let me make this change and let us now call it as the txt sample, and here let me just put hello world and click on save. Let's go and use change text case. So what you can do is you can convert it to the uppercase, you can convert it to the lowercase, you can convert that to a title case and the sentence case. Let's go and select this variable txt sample. Let's convert this to the uppercase, and the variable is text with the new case. I'm okay with that. Click on save, click run. Let's wait for that to complete. You can see it has changed the hello world to the uppercase. If you want, you change it all to the lowercase. Click run, you change the configuration, and you can see now it is changed to the lowercase. If you make a change to, let's say like this, hello and world, so let me keep this in all lowercase, and let's change this setting to the title case. Click on save. So now we have hello world in the small letters. You can see now it is changed to the title case. And if you would like to change it to the sentence case, click on save, click run, and again now it is changed to the sentence case, wherein the first letter of the first word is only capital uppercase letter and the rest is the lowercase letters. So that's how you can use the change text case as per your need. We will take a look at more text actions in the next video. I thank you so much for watching this video.